Hello guys, welcome to C4C Code for Change. Let's get started.
Hey guys, in the previous videos we have seen about if else statement, do while statement and while loop. Now in this video we are going to learn about for loop and nested loops. So what is this for loop? So let us see here. So for loop, okay, sorry. So this loop executes a group of statements repeatedly as long as the condition is true. Okay, this is the same as normal loop, but what is the difference is here is the syntax difference. So in for, so we will write expression 1, expression 2 and expression 3. See what is this expression 1, expression 2 and expression 3? Let us see here. So the expression 1, so this is an initialization statement. So expression 2, so it is a conditional statement. So expression 3, it is an iteration statement. So what are these? Let us see in the examples here. See public static void main, okay, strings are okay. This is the for loop. The first expression is the initialization. So here you are initializing the variable I equal to 1. In the expression 2 we are doing some condition, okay, like I is less than or equal to 10. So in the expression 3 we will give some iteration. Iteration is nothing but printing, sorry, incrementing or decrementing, and then we will print the output. So and then we will close it. So this output will be like 1 2 see like this 10. Okay, let, let us see here. So I will delete this and I will copy this. So I will paste it here. Public is normal F. So let us see. See here now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 10. Up to 10 numbers are printed. See. So note, what is this note here? See, expression 1 is initialization statement, expression 2 is called conditional statement, and expression 3 is called iteration or modifying statement, which is nothing but either it is an incrementation or decrementation. So there is another note here. See, we can write for loop by eliminating expression 1 or expression 2 or expression 3 or any two expressions, or all three expressions can be removed. So, so when these are removed, then it will go into the infinite loop. So what is this? So a loop that is executed forever, that is called infinite loop. Okay, infinite loop is a drawback of the program. See, suppose uh, so public static void main. So int I, okay, we are initializing the variable I with the number 1, and we are using for loop without any expressions. So then, so we will print the I value. So just we will remove this and let's just check this. So just we will copy this here, see here, and we will paste it, and we will just remove this condition. Okay, just we will remove this. Okay, see now what will happen. See, it is executing, it is continuously executing, there is no ending session. So that is nothing but a infinite loop. So it is a clearly drawback for the program. So what we will do, we will just include another variable I. So it will increment with 1 whenever the loop is executed. Then we will perform a condition with if condition. So if I is greater than 10, then it is going to be break. So break is nothing but, so the execution coming out of the for loop. Okay, let us see here. See, now up to 10 it is executed, and after 10 the for loop is terminated. So this is nothing but here break is used to terminate the loop. Okay, So question, what is the question? Using for loop, display number between 10 and 1. Okay, so we have seen previously display number between 1 and 10. Now we are seeing in descending order. Okay, so this is common public static void main. So in this main method, what we are doing is for loop. So we are initializing I variable with 10, and we are giving some condition until it is greater than or equal to 1. So when it is less than or equal to 1, then the loop will be terminated. And here we are giving I minus minus, because we want to print from 10 to 1, that is decrementing order. That is why we are using minus minus, and we are printing that I value. Let us see here. Let us copy this and paste it here. And okay, let us see here. Now it is here in the descending order from 10 to 1, it is printed. So the next program is write a Java program to display even numbers between 10 to 20. Okay, first one is 10. Then we are going to initialize the for loop with 10. Okay, this is, sorry, the question is like this, 20 to 10. And the question is display the numbers between 20 to 10. Because the number is starting with 20, we are initializing the for loop with variable 20. Okay, so and the ending value is 10, so we are giving greater than or equal to 10, because 20 to 10, so value should be greater than 20 and lies in between. So the value should be greater than 10 and lies below 20. That's why we are using greater than or equal to 10. So we want to print even numbers. So that's why we are minusing I is equals to I minus 2, because we know that the differences between even numbers or odd numbers is 2. That's why we are using minus 2. Then we are printing it. So let us see this. Control C, delete. It's not okay. Wait a minute. So we will copy this and we'll paste it. Okay. So we'll check it here. The value is okay. Okay, I have not declared int. Okay. Now see now 20 is the starting number. We are reducing minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, then up to 10. Okay. So this is here int. Okay. So next question is write a Java program to display a multiplication table of number 5. Okay. See here. So what is the table is 5 into 1 is equals to 5. 5 into 2 equal to 10. So 5 into 3 is equals to 15. Okay. So up to 5 into 10 is equals to 50. So this is the table. So what we will do, first we will print these values only. So RHS value we will print, that is 5, 10, 15 and to 50. See here. Okay, we will just print it here. So what we will do, int I comma n. Okay, for I is equals to 1 comma I less than or equal to 10, because there are up to 10. So up to 10 we have to print. That's why we are doing I less than or equal to 10 comma I plus plus. Okay. Now what we have to do, system dot out dot println of n into I. Okay. Here we have not given anything n, so we will assign with n is equals to 5. So what will happen? Let us check. So how will have it up close? Okay. This is system. Now let us see. Now see here RHS values are printed, but I want the output as like this. See here 5 into symbol I want 1, and again I want equal to, and again I want to print RHS value. So next in the second line, so in the second line I want to print 5 and again into symbol and again 2. So how this will happen? See here. So 5, it is nothing but a n value. Okay. So we will give another character, that is x, because in the keyboard we don't have x symbol. We don't have into symbol. We will use x. Okay. So another operator. So I want to add into next one. Cn 1 is initialized to I variable. So next it is 2. So here in the next loop it is going to be changed to 2. That's why here I am adding I. So I want to add equal to operator. This is plus. This is plus. Okay. So now see, the output will be 5 into 1 is equals to 5. So this is the correct form of representation of a multiplication table. Okay. So nested loops. Okay. The writing a loop inside another loop is called nested loop. Okay. So write a Java program to display the following format. So what is the format here? Let us see. Okay, wait a minute. 10 space 11 space 12 space 13 space 14. Okay, 15 space 16 space 17 space 18 space 19. Okay, 20 space 21 space 22 space 23 space 24. So what is the algorithm here? See here. So just check before one. Okay. Uh, okay. Let us see this one only. See here. First, we want to print 10 to 11. Okay. So 10 to 24. What is the logic for it? For, okay, sorry. So for what we will do, I is equals to 10 comma I plus plus, sorry, I less than or equal to 24 comma I comma I plus plus. So that is the logic. So when we want to print 10 to 24 without any next line, so when does this next line come? See here. So 10 is one digit, 11 is another digit, 12 is one digit, 13 is one digit, 14 is one digit. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So after every 5 numbers, it is going to the next line. So what we will use another algorithm here. If some variable we will take greater than or equal to 5, sorry, greater than 5, then what we will do? We will go to the next line. System dot, sorry, I will write directly s dot o dot p, that is system dot out dot print. Now we are using next line, that is n. So this is the algorithm in which we are using to print this data. So how we will do? Let us check here. Okay. So first this one, first inner loop we will see. So for I is equal to 10. Okay. So first j is equal to, okay. Okay, let us see outer loop first. See here. The outer loop represent the number of rows. Okay, just remember this blind mark, you can remember like this. The outer loop represent number of loops, number of rows. So this is the first row, this is the second row, and this is the third row. So we want total 3 rows. So we have given the condition I less than or equal to 3. Okay, so if you want to print in matrix and rows columns, that is in matrix format, that is rows and columns format, then we use nested loops. Okay, see here. So int I is equals to 1, I less than or equal to 3, then I is equals to plus plus. So this loop represent that we are having 3 rows. Okay, so next one, int k is equals to 1. See here I have mentioned if k is equals to 5. So this variable we are initializing and giving the value 1. Okay, next we are giving this loop, we are using this loop. So what is that loop? For int j is equals to 10, so j is less than or equal to 24 and j plus plus. Okay, in that loop we are printing j. So I am giving here some space, and we are, so see here, here when we started the loop, here for 10 it will be, oh sorry, so for 10, for 10 it is going to be k is equals to 1. So next I want another for 11 it is k is equals to 2. So for 12 I want k is equals to 3. Okay, likewise for every number I want to increase the k value. That is why I am using incrementing here. So this is the condition. So when we want to enter the next row, we are using this condition. So if k greater than 5, then we are printing this slash n, backslash n, then it will go to next line. So again, so when we are back into the next line, here we want to re-evaluate k is equals to 1, and again that's why I am using k is equals to 1. Okay, so let us copy this code and we will check it here. Okay, okay, backslash n. Okay, now let us see. Oh, oh, okay, I have not given space here, that's why it is showing like that. Okay, okay, now see 10 11 12 13, okay, up to 21. So what is this? Okay, we don't need to use this loop. Okay, this is the wrong one. We don't need to use this loop. Control Z, see here. We will remove this loop. Let us say, see here, it is printing now. Okay, so this loop is not necessary. So sorry guys, I have confused you. So what is the algorithm here? So for 10 to 24 printing, we will use generally this one. So next one is for every five numbers we are entering into the next row. So for that we will use this algorithm. Okay. So for that we will use this algorithm. Okay. So that is the algorithm. Okay. What is the next one? So displaying the output. So here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here it is in reverse order 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So okay, what is this? So let us see here. So what is this? 1 tab 5, 2 tab 4, 3 tab 3, 4 tab 2, 1 tab 5, See here I have read in this order 1 2 3 4 5. This first column I have read 1 2 3 4 5, and in the second column I have read 1 2 5 4 3 2 1. Here I have read 1 tab 5 2 tab 4. See here, these both reading are same, but so here if you want to develop like this 1 2 3 4 5 and next column 5 4 3 2 1, it is a different algorithm we have to use. But here this is 1 tab 5 in the next line, 2 tab 4 in the next line. So this is the easy algorithm we can use. So what we have to use here, see here, the first we want to print. Okay, so we want to print for, so we are using I is equals to 1 comma I. So how many values? 1 2 3 4 5. Sorry, this one is delete it. Okay, sorry, wait a minute. So this is 5 tab, this is 1. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5. So here, okay, less than or equal to, okay, just wait a minute, I will take another one. Okay, for I is equals to 1, I less than or equal to 5 comma I plus plus. Okay, see here what I will do is for P. So I will print I, so I will give some space. Okay, plus colon backslash tab. Okay, plus, now I am using another variable, see here, j. So initially what I will do, so initially here I will write int j is equals to 5. See now what will happen, so j minus minus. Okay, so for every loop this I am going to print. So this is the algorithm for printing this. See here, for I is equals to 1, we have 5 rows, that's why we are using I less than or equal to 5. Then I plus plus, here we are using, first one is I, that is 1. Here tab operator, tab, and this is j, that is j is here 5. So okay, and here we are using decrement operator, then the j value will be 4. So again, so when this goes to here, so I will be 2. Here we will be printing 2. In the next line we will be printing, here with tab we are printing 4. So like this algorithm works. So this is the one. Let us copy this and paste it. Okay, backslash tab. Okay, see here, now it is printed. So this is the logic of this output. So the next question is, so like this output. So the next one is diamond pattern. So I am making this another playlist. So printing patterns by using C language I will do. So it's the same logic, it's the same algorithm. You can apply in Java or .NET or anything. So whatever the programming languages you know. So if you want to print like this or print like this, you can use the same logic. Okay, I will do the playlist in the future. So now in this video we are ending. So in the next video we are going to see about for each loop and switch statement. Okay, thank you guys for watching my videos. Please subscribe to my channel for supporting my channel, and also share the videos for supporting my channel.